So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can buy coins in your Trust wallet. So guys, if you're a new user and you have no idea on how you can buy coins, then this video is for you. So guys, once you're in the home page, you'll see these options right here that says send, receive, swap, and buy and sell. Since we want to buy coins, just go ahead and tap there. And guys, you can choose several currencies. The most popular ones are USD dollars and euros, and also the British pound sterling. There are also many currencies right here. You can choose whatever currency that you want. You can also choose your cryptos if you want to buy it in Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin. There are also other options here. Just go ahead and choose them, and once you choose them, all you need to do is tap on one of them. Suppose I want to buy this one. All I need to do is tap on it. So guys, you'll be led to this page now. Just go ahead and type in your email, your country of residence, and tick this option that says that you would like to be kept up to date promotions and marketing, and the second one too that says that you have read the terms and conditions and the privacy and cookies policy. And after that, they will make sure to identify you, and after that, finally you would be led to the payment page. Just go ahead and write your bank details and pay, and there you go. That's how you buy coins in Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.